Right now I'm going to show you how to make a clickable YouTube subscribe link using your YouTube handle. And if you don't know what a handle is, it's the channel URL that has the @ And if you don't remember your handle, go to youtube.com/handle and it'll tell you what your handle is or give you an option to change it. Next, after your handle for your YouTube channel, add $!confirmation=1. This is the full clickable link people can use to subscribe to your YouTube channel using your handle. To check to make sure this works, click Save, go to the public watch page and click on it. It's not going to show the full URL. It's going to have these ... dots at the end. Don't worry, it'll still work if you've done it right. So you should click on it. Now, if you've clicked on your own channel, it'll still pop up with a confirmation to subscribe. This is what everyone else will get. But if you click subscribe, it'll say, "Bro, you can't subscribe to yourself." Now you can test if I did it right by clicking on my subscribe link in the description below. You do that and you'll be golden.